In this video, we're going to talk about estimating. Sometimes when you've got complex calculations, you can't work them out without a calculator, but we can estimate the answer. So that means rounding the numbers in the question so that they're a little bit nicer to work with. So let's look at an example. Let's estimate the answer to 6.32 times 9.5. So we could do it on a calculator and work out the answer. So let's work it out first and see how close we get when we estimate. If I pop it in the calculator, I get that the answer is 60.04. But if we estimate, I'm going to round 6.32 down to 6. And then I'm going to round 9.5 up to 10. So what I'm going to do, 6 times 10 is 60. So my estimated answer would be 60. The actual answer was 60.04. So that's really close. So we know it's a good estimate. Let's estimate another question. So Sally bought 18 packets of crisps at 32 pence a packet. So let's estimate how much it would cost. If we were to work it out, we would do 18 times 0.32 in the calculator, because that's 32 pence in pounds. And that would work out at £5.76. But now let's estimate and see how close we get. Let's round 18 packets to 20. So let's say she bought 20 packets. And let's round 32 pence down to 30 pence instead. So if we then do 20 times 30, we get 600 pence, which is £6. So our estimated answer is £6. Our actual answer was £5.76. So we're not that far off. With estimating, you usually get a little bit of leeway, because often someone that answers the same question as you might round it differently, but it's still a correct answer. Let's look at a more complicated one. Let's estimate the answer to this. So it's 3.6 times 10.4 and then divided by 7.8. So if we were to round each of those values, 3.6 I'm going to round up to 4. 10.4 I'm going to round down to 10. So 4 times 10 is 40. Then 7.8 I'm going to round up to 8. So I'm going to do 40 divided by 8 to get 5. So my estimate for that question would be 5.